Are you a first-time homebuyer? Here's 9 steps to help you out in the process. Step 1, reach out to an agent so that I can help you along the way. Step 2, we're going to talk with a lender so we can get your pre-approval to know where you're comfortable with and your price point. Step 3, let's make a list of your wants versus your need. As an example, you may want a fenced-in backyard, but do you really need a fenced-in backyard? Step 4, I'm going to send you some homes and give me honest feedback on these homes so I can better understand what you are looking for in a home. Step 5, we're going to schedule some showings so we can go see these homes, as pictures sometimes can be deceiving. Step 6, when you find the right home, we're going to make an offer on it. Step 7, after we get under contract, we're going to schedule all the inspections we need, surveys, anything that's out there that you want to do to get this property right for you. Step 8, we're going to negotiate any repairs and/or some allowances for you. Step 9, it's closing day. It's time to get at the ball rolling to get you moved in.